Hi there. Are you experiencing these annoying moments in the kitchen? Are you done with sticky cookware and those heavy hand-burning pans? Well, we might have just what you need. We present what could just be the most versatile cookware in the world, the Performance Series. Available in 4 unique colors, red, blue, green, and black, it's uncomplicated cooking at a fair price. What makes Performance Cookware so special? During development, we were looking for the best non-stick coating possible to match cast aluminum. Our multi-layered coating has outstanding durability and has been formulated without PFOA. Even the most delicate foods won't stick to the pan. The unique spiked design on the inside of the lid creates a continuously aromatic rain. This enhances the flavor of your food and keeps moisture inside while cooking. In one wipe, your Performance Cookware is ready to store in your kitchen cupboard. Cast aluminum heats 3 times faster than cast iron. It also has excellent heat distribution, perfect for frying, grilling, simmering, and stewing. With a silicone handle cover, you can easily lift and move your pan from stove to oven to table. The Performance Series is extremely lightweight by design. The Performance Cookware is suitable for gas, induction, ceramic, or oven cooking. Ready for serving? Bring your casserole dish right to the table. Serving straight from your casserole dish on the table without using a serving platter is what dreams are made of. We already started tooling, but we need your support to make this reality. Back us today.